Hello, good afternoon, everyone. You all doing well? Hope you are enjoying the sun and spending time with your family. Yeah. As usual, let us start our lessons with a small prayer. Last week, you've been learning from Shebi Auntie how to do sign of cross in Malayalam. Did you practice that with your parents? Okay. So let's do that together then. തമ്പുരാനെ വിശുദ്ധ കുരിശിൻ്റെ അടയാളത്താലെ ഞങ്ങളുടെ ശത്രുക്കളിൽ നിന്ന് ഞങ്ങളെ രക്ഷിക്കാം. ഞങ്ങളുടെ തമ്പുരാനെ പിതാവിൻ്റെയും പുത്രൻ്റെയും പരിശുദ്ധാത്മാവിൻ്റെയും നാമത്തിൽ ആമേൻ. Did you all learn that? If not, it's the best time, as Shebi Auntie said, to practice with your parents. Okay? Yeah. So, let's think about what we learned last week. Last week, you were learning about prayer, isn't it? So, what is prayer? Why we have to pray? What all occasions Jesus prayed? And the importance of prayer. You remember that, yeah? Okay. And you started to learn our Father. Did you practice that along with your parents? Okay, let's do that together then. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Amen. If anyone not sure how to say our Father, please do practice along with your parents. So you can say our Father during the time of your prayer at home in Rosary. Yeah? Okay. Shebi Auntie asked you to fill these columns. Do you remember what was it? The occasions when you are praying. Did you all fill that? Okay, good children. I'm sure you did it. You can show it to your parents and you can bring the books when you are coming into the classroom, hopefully soon. Yeah? Okay, let's start with our last lesson, lesson 15. Do you know what is heaven? Do you any idea? Do you have any idea how we can go to heaven? Yes, heaven is the house of God. How many of you want to go to heaven? Yes, you all wanted to go to heaven, isn't it? Good children. So how you can go to heaven? Is it easy? You think? It will be easy if God is with you and if you are obeying the words of God. What do you think? The people in heaven are happy? Yes, it's a happy place where people are living along with God. Yeah. So heaven is the house of God, and if you want to go to heaven, you have to obey God's words. Being good children. Be good to your parents. Be kind to your friends. These are the little ways how you could be obeying God's words. You all live in your house. Like that, God has got a house. That is called heaven. Do you know who all are living in heaven? The angels and saints. Yeah. So do you want to be a saint? How many of you want to be a saint? Let's see. Yes, all of you. I'm so glad. I'm sure you all like to be a saint. So if you want to be a saint, you have to obey God's words. Let's sing this song together then. You can take this song in your book. Yeah? What is it? Heaven is God our Father's house. Heaven is place all people love. Heaven is where the angels live. Heaven is our own home above. Yeah. So our ultimate aim is to reach heaven. Yeah. There is a place here where you can write names of few saints and angels. You can ask help from your parents to get names of more saints. 2 weeks before, we learned about a saint, Saint Mother Teresa. Like that, you can write the name of the saints in this place. Yeah? Okay. Heaven is our home, and Jesus wants every one of us to be in heaven. So our aim should be to reach heaven. To reach heaven, we need to do good deeds. We need to obey God's ways. Okay, let's all pray to God to get strength to be good children of God, to reach heaven. So I wish you all a good week and enjoy your time with your parents. Enjoy the sun and keep safe.